Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to upload images to Wix from Google Drive. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac, and then head on over to the website editor.wix.com. In here, click on Media. Then wait for it to load. In here, you have the option to upload from your Google Drive, from your PC, Facebook, or anywhere. In here, let's choose Google Drive. In here, you will need to connect first your Google Drive and then a window will appear. All you have to do is sign in with your Gmail containing your Google Drive. Now let's wait for the website to load. Go ahead, take your time. I'll be here waiting. Once this window appears, just choose the Gmail drive or the account that contains your photos. Now all you have to do is set it up on Allow and then Next. It's easy. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.